But yebo, welcome back to another one, Balingan podcast. By fire, by force. Ngibona consistency, King. This brothers is working for some.
Span siyafakwa King, mina ngibonga ukuthi ukhona i-rapture kakuthathu senze njani King ngoba phela bakhona nyamalala.
Hey King, nami ngishaya uvalo King ithi say this is it. It's happening to me. Ena ngavuma umntono tami King bese ngibona sihogo mfowethu, sengibona ngisha inguna phakathi.
Niva ngabani i-rapture ukuthi yede King ngoba mina ngiyadla indaba le.
Nah, King, it was just stories in the streets. Angathi nebantu bayithatha blend. I guess people don't even understand their Bibles because ngicabanga ukuthi maKristu lachambana le information King because angaze nguve mina ukukhuluma ngayo. Mina I know the 23 King yakena ukuthi bantu abantu si langa lani. Wema 23 September King usho ukuthini? I-African New Year King. Ikwenzalo kwelanga like ngecalendar ye-Africa. It's African New Year 23 September where we start farming, we rain is coming, siyalima senda konke 23 it happens every year bro. I don't know ukuthi maybe ngile small circle sami bantu lebatile tinto bancane bantu yabona like if ungakhumbula credo umuntu King 23 September bekahlala khuluma ngayo mjida ubuke bo DJ Sbu bebakhuluma ngayo ku podcast yabo lento le ya celebrate King la Mpumalanga tukwenzalo yelanga lapha Stone what it's African New Year angathi uthi angathi ukuthi bese ungena njani umfowethu sakwa Israel kulelanga King ukuthi uyabuya uyarapturisha. And another thing King kana kubhalwa ngene eBhayibhelini ukuthi ilanga latiwa nedata yatiwa sebathi njani King ukuthi ubuya mhla kabani like idate mfethu.
Lilanga latiwa King nedata yatiwa but ngishokini ukuthi nina nonke lenikhona la ndaba ningafi before ngibuye.
Sadly those are the words bro. And he died. And they died. And akabuyanga.
They died. Akabuyanga.
Or maybe because we don't know. Maybe wabuya kubo. You understand? Because asathi King bekakhuluma kuthini nomjidi.
Aneke sibe shocking and I don't want to get into that kakhulu namuhla. Ngikuthi nje ngiyabonga ukuthi sinale lithuba lokuphila i-rapture kanithathi. Exactly. Netinto esengacethe kudena King before so akufuni ngirapturishe ngisayogijima emasotsheni angagijima nagijima emasotsheni itasithatha njani rapture.
For me for me that's a sad story.
Mina mlingani ngilisoja but ngilokhu hayi formally uyabona like I think impilo yami yonke nje has always been built on busoja uyabona senguthi ngithi uniform ngine flag yami ngedwa uyabona ngearmy yami ngedwa but nje I believe mina ukuthi ema elements ebusoja nginawo King.
Yeah, it's always been a fight. That ngilo ukuba soldier King is the fight within, fight with life. Sihlale silwa mfethu simasoja. That's why machita King on the streets abitana ngemasoja isoja lami hey kulisoja lokuya. In every department your life King kunemasoja yabona kunemasoja embi kunemasoja empilweni kunemasoja uNkulunkulu ma prayer warrior yabona like iqheme ngetiqheme King is nemasoja yabona like a British army
no well and I think nje sesikhuluma iqiniso namlingane lempilo yethu eAfrika
ifuna ube lisoja
idinga ukuthi ube lisoja ufuna ube lisoja mentally ufuna ube strong ube lisoja mentally because le kulamanye ama continents mlingana ngifuna icambe manga impilo yabo ibe soft lamhlabeni impilo yeAfrika ayikaze seyibe soft lamhlabeni
consistent
kanye so you need to be militant King ufuna ube discipline ufuna ube strong kufuna ukwazi ukudila ne-depression and kuthi wethu ukuthi umlo yokufundisa into leto
hayi kude mfana yokufundisa ukudila nge-depression kude ami ngiyangibamba King 2019 bengivaya and then in the streets King it was famous ukuthi abathi silinga ufuna ukutibulala the streets were talking the streets were talking
I remember 2019 ngathola i-phone call or was it a text noma i-phone call bathiwa ngicela ukuthi nikhulume naSling because iSling utokufa Sling uyatibulala
Sadly
and I
bro,
had to move fast.
and sadly ngibani bengumjesi ngifuna ukutibulala, and sadly again ngibani bengikhulume naye because 2019 King, I think bebayi-2 bantu bengikhuluma nabo elokishini. 2 like consistently bantu bengikhuluma nabo 2-3 with the guy lebengispana naye because bebayi-2 bengispana nabo then neBrian then ngimi because King i-depression mfana mina yanginangizana nga-retreat-a from the public. Ngihamba ngohlala ngedwa somewhere kuthi umbeka ngibona kuthi umbeka ngade majita King ngashiya konke majita and kuthi out bengifuna ingi-check-a ngaphandle kwenye iBrian Mzamo i-out yangi-check-a leyo ikasi ukuthi kuse ukuphi isilingi yangithola and stuff saringa but mfana that shit is real bro, depression is real mfowethu and kuthi umuntu wangifundisa kuso-depressed kenyalo ngibone after the depression ukuthi oh
Because
bengi-depressed
depression, no,
bengi-depressed
depression,
lapha.
yes. And one of the signs, one of the signs of depression, mlingani, uluza interest kwentento, uluza interest ekukhuluma nebantu, uyabona. Uluza interest nje ekuchubeka nophile nepurpose.
Bengithi like mina bengi-give up-ile nje ukuthi bro sengiyaphila nje because and yakena ukuthi lento just came out of the blue King like umkhuhlane yakena ngoba lokho sekuse dog shift ahamba uhlala wedwa somewhere ngashiya ekhasi King bengihlala ekhasi mara abantu bangathi ngihlala kuphi most of this case nobody knew dog bekwathi outcome day 1 ukuthi ngihlala kuphi ngathutha nayo otherwise ukuthi umbeka bengafuni abantu bangibone ukuthi bangadi nokuthi sikhiphani ngami ngifuna kwangedwa yabo and I know ukuthi khona vele serious ile nyendako lokungedwa King ngiyacabanga nje I'm in my thoughts bro ngiyasolve la nhlobo ukuthi okay so but ngiya-depreciate mfethu because angidli kahle umtimba uyawa uyabona hlele engqondweni mfethu senginophuma njani le problem because usuke une-problem King mara sometimes awuyadi yini kahle kahle yini ingcikithi yale nkinga lonayo but benginenkinga mfana nanithini nafika bafana natongirescuisha mara nangithusa King bengicabanga ukuthi awuvele ngila ngabona khozi kube vele ngihambile mase ningibide mfowethu siyeva ukuthi basofuna ukudivayisa ngabona ukuthi asho sibekufuna ngivaye vele.
No phela thina lokho sakutshela sawufikile embabane ukuthi ufuna ukudivayisa sakutrigger I think with sakutrigger ukuthi usheshe ufike fast embabane.
Yeah, that was the mystery King. Ngile trick King le yangilimata mina because the trick bengicabanga ukuthi kwende njani kusengibani oshonile. Mina bengicabanga ukuthi khona oshonile lengafuni ukungitshela ukuthi ekushone bani buya ngala. Bengicabanga nje izinto lenkulu ekusengidaba nenkinga kanti ngimi King. I was the one.
Thina basitshela ukuthi kushona wena King and side imovie yathi ukuthi mlingani lento yokuthi nibe bangani kube bede umngani lo nemoto kule friendship circle leyo ku wrong.
Yeah, very.
Because ebe we had a friend lebeka nemoto kule situation leyo thina bekufuna sithatha imoto sihambe siyo checka wena.
It's bad.
But nje wafika wase uphunyulwa njani because it's a war.
Yeah, King, it's an internal struggle uyabona. Sifo depression uyabona. Sifo ngendlela ngibona ngayo mina it's like you want to be somewhere but you just can't. And nalama situation lokuyo or ma circumstances lobhekene nawo ngeke ufike la ufuneka khona mental enhloko ufuna kuba lapha apha to la you understand. So uva ngathi uyahlephuka emkhathini mfethu ekuse ngiyakutshela mfana. And inhlanhla ukuthi bengabhema imvorwana maybe ngangibuyanga mentally maybe King ngabe ngisestradini permanent but kuse ngaphuma King kuphuma kancane kuba nehope once ubone ama dream nyana la khona lamasha uyabona uwe condemn kancane uyabuya plus bese ngihlela nani phela embabane King bese kungcono sesikhona kuhleke enzambama nabombatha ngale ekitchen King simshumayele embatha bese ngiyengeke yabo siyaphuma kancane but ke cabanga King ngale outlet King leyo circle leyo ekuse mau depressed ukuthi utawukhuluma nabantu lamajita lahlala phansi kuma bridge lamajita agcina bhema lawo ma drugs la hard you understand ekuse
no kunangu and kuthi nalama resource phela kukusupporta nawo kule situation leyo kule like kule mpilo siphilako kude le support uyabona ukuthi yeah we don't have a support system King uyabonela nje na ungiloko kuba inhlanhla nangabe maybe unako community nakhona uyathi sikulukhuni ukutshela amajita ukuthi kwendekani ngempilo yakho King
kakhulu ekuse angathi kwentiwa yini ngithi nemajita lokuthi isikhona ukubhobokelana nje bafethu ngiyavaya because nami king it was easy for me bekuthi nje ngin-inboxele ngintshetse bafowethu hayi mfana mina ngibona kumnyama la ngibuke khona but kuthi kwakose ukuthi kukhulume lo munye umuntu kwafuneka i-divine intervention king maybe kunekwe prayer warrior lebe kuhleli somewhere king ungikhulekele ngithini into yendeka
hayi prayer warrior mina angwathembi king
ngenteka king prayer warrior king inginqusele sekunqusela king
hayi prayer warrior king bathi prayer warrior akathandazela into enjalo
athandazelana
kuba ngogo wakho prayer warrior king akathandazela into ethi deep athandazela into ethi ukuthi athandazela ukuthi baphephe baholi belive yabona thandazela kuba ngogo wakho lokuthandazelako wena maybe ngathi wena gogo wakho nguwe lokunxuselako awungitshele yindoda atiko wena nithandaza ama prayer warrior king
king my prayer warrior king afuna bigger house better job or something and king le mentality ukuthi siyalo silwa nemademon latsite kuseye i dangerous yakena lengcondo leyo because it's always a war with prayer warriors I'm sure that's why bama warrior king bayalwa balwa nemimoya yabona it's very very dangerous lento leyo kuseye to live in that mindset kulwa nemimoya miphi imimoya you created a world now you living in it the world of spirits
lama demon king nalama dragon lamakhulu alanhloko yakho kuphela ngifuna ukuphawula mina nomlingane ukuthi I'm pretty sure ukuthi la ngabe waphunyula ngokuthi gogo wakho bekakuthandazela akuphahlele or makwakho mina king gogo wami lotola make bese ngisina ngimvakashele bekavuka kuthi ngabo 4 ekseni bovangaye gogo kuthi sebo 4 bakathandaza gogo king uvuke uyabona phela buthongo athandaze ulale phinze ulale king ulale uthi sinovuka ngabo past 5 umkhandziso uyathandaza lo mlomtsala uthandazela thine uthandazela nine uthandazela bobani bangani babo banifa bami yabona I think mina umthandazo uyaphilisa ngiloko lokwangiphilisa then wasinashona gogo lomkhulu loshona recently nguye bekangithanda bekasithandazela
nami isikriza sami besithandaza king isikriza sami sivuka ngabo 4 king sothandaza zokushaya bo 5 past 5 thandazela wonke umuntu naloko abantu ngibathi mina vele ngikhule around imithandazo ekusese isikriza sami abe sithandaza heavy but ke king
uma ubuka prayer warriors
that was before prayer warriors and it's as African kids bro kuthi ngilositshelayo ngedepression nanani kuthiwa cina soja yilo umfana ovilapha yilo umfana otefa kanti lama problems engqondo king maningi excess now and that's why abantu abaningi king ba actor out singa understand ukuthi le ntwana begrand ekuse it was promising ekuse beka number 1 esikoleni afunza grand kwentekani le ntwana ekuse so sesiqadini nyalo sel26 sayini it's problems king engqondo uyabona but ngalokuthi king isikhula eAfrica into leti atinakwa ukuthi hayi mfana lo mfana edelelo uyabona kanti umfana beka depressed wabe sisothola bosling king bamkhombisa lines antwana relax antwana mawufuna imali relax antwana let's go to the streets sibambe inkunzi dliwana lo mawufuna kuba nesibinzi benywa nako mawufuna kuba nesibinzi umfana songena estradini king soul hero you understand sothola a new home
yabona yes sothola ne fame ne acclaim yabo uthola identity
it was just depression boy bo depressed you are going through kuyenteke life inemuntu lokho especially machita king we go through those things but kufuna kube nalomlo uyatika yabo nje mina nje sengathi future ndamgatha ukuthi ayintwana ekuse ubona yabona ngiyamnakekele ekuse mfana plus nalakhulu singana ama time king ekuse phela most African homes king ekuse time alikho especially angathi ngale mara ngala Southern Africa mfana kude ama time esikhathini esiningi ekuse kude maybe wahamba wayemayini igozi king akabuya sometimes liba khona king emtimba but alikho it's there but it's not there
or is a lion of Judah lion of Judah king ukuthi naliqhamuka kufuna abantwana bagijime
dog I was there I witnessed it mina ngibabonile labaningi king makuqhamuka lithema lakhe king kufuna shift emgwaqweni because lithema likhona king sikasathwa la khaya the whole period lo mso depressed kuyoze kube kusasa maka esikolweni until iphinze sidlale insamba mabuya lithema lakhe libuyile lion of Judah wonke umve endlini ngisho make kuyalandwelwana ngelitubani angry out siyawa and it's going through some things nayo yabona la ngakholanga akhila ku my childhood traumas you understand la ngakhona akhila ku because it's masoja king 12 soja mfana athi nesimasoja mfana mfana
Manje ngabe lento lena singabreak kanjani because it's like kumaloyo kuyicycle embi lento le. Idinga like ungathi singakuphula.
Asimaloyo King, it's the family structure. We need to rebuild the family structure King. Sibe nemndeni. You understand? Kude phela imindeni yalo King. Kunemakhaya nje mara kusimndeni ukuthi labantu bahlangene ngumndeni. Yabona emndenini King makudliwa nga7 and wonke umfu khona ulakhaya King uyadla. Siyakhuluma tinkinga talo mnye ukuthi umfikile usasakudla eoven ekamerweni lakhe ayodla khona. You understand? Umndeni King usiyabuilda kanye kanye wa team and wa playing ukuthi wena ustriker wena uyinini wena umndeni loyo King. Seyathi inkinga yakho use chief wena inkinga solve njani? Nenkinga emetho namfana. Funa silungise bani kufuna sithole t-shirt onjani tokusita hayi ukuthi lo mfana kanaleli lona keva crap ngifunza la you understand the King abakhiwe ifamily King is system you understand i-system King and i-unity family kufuna isipane kanjalo kuyasetshenziswana sosolima kenyalo bantu bamba likhuba bantu kufuna wena inini yabona umndeni siyakhula kanjalo lo soyikolije sacrifice lo ukuthi sibhadalele lo mani kancane wena because kuseselana sidabuye sikuthengele icathula sithengele lo kuze ukuthi sikhone kuphesha lo ya lapha soyograduate lo you understand nyalo King sekude lokho mfana sekude mfana nyalo siyakubonela
yathi lento lelo ikhuluma King i-deep kakhulu i-deep ngifuna bathi uchazile bengilokubuta ukuthi ngicela uchazele difference between lolikhaya nemndeni uyabona ukuthi yini ne-family because ne-family ihlukile kunemndeni nelikhaya King ne-family is something else.
Yeah, it's totally different King. Kunema family King again la homeless. Are family. Working together need King yesiphanwa i-family. Le fanishina ngcono kunani nenhlelo kwesithabathaba King.
Yes uqinisile and le buhlungu wena King lo buhlungu the family unit yabo.
Yeah.
If leave King lama family units are weak leli velelo lo mango loyo King sofile if lama family units are weak automatically lokho King ngisho ngani ngoba uyabona uma kuna family King
yeah
kuna babe or whatever the constitution is yalo mndeni lo
yeah
uma kunomfana lona mahunga niyamati niyatama ku address kule situation leyo yabona niyawati ma whereabouts abantu abeni bakhuteka if mina ngikhuta abantu abami King bangaganga na ukhuta abantu bangaganga na bangakhuta abantu bakhe bangaganga bangenetsa kamiva sinemangalo safe uyabona
fact
but if mina ngingamadle mfana nami ukuthi ukuphi wendani angathi nethi udila nani unesicathulo nomfana lesisha King letenaso angisathi ukuthi sichamukapi uyabona
that's a problem and lama problems aqala lapho King ukuthi sekunetinto lelo ungatati wena umfana wakho King akufuneki bena libhuluko longalati liqhamukapi libhuluko leli liqhamuka libhuluko leli kude into longa exe King lelo ikhuluma kwemcoka kakhulu King ikhulise bokhokho wethu lento lena bomkhulu wethu lento emafamily King botrajwa ngilommango mawutselela you understand ubuyekini ukhala King mawufika King akutrape mawuchaza le story ukuthi beniganga nabo bani kwavela make bani wantrapa nonke nemfana yakhe khathi mina ngikhumbula King sekamadzalane kalomahasha sobhukusha abafuni sobhukusha King bomagriza lapha evethi nje King iyouth yonke King bebangafuni sekumadzalane iproblem ngomadzalane King ngilemifula la khona ukuthi every year kunalinye elinqusa lelimail kunalinyamalayo yayibona imifula leyo and bekwakhiwa kusimfula damu
ngiyibona
yeah man made damu lelabe lakhiwe nje lakhiwa kudzala vele thina sikhanzisela lapha ama-school so kunelinqusa lethina linyamalale every year King labakholwa ama-prayer warriors i-dragon i-dragon King lethina lapha ngesihogweni ngokuthatha stuff siyehla King chufu siyasho yonke le youth King siboya ngimani King shona ndazi lo mfula uthutana kakhulu King lapha evethi kufana ukuthi lapha kulukhulu ekhayekini King siya lapha ngendawo kwasetitinini lapha bhaka khona titini lapha kule nangizana yabo
ngiyabona uthutane kakhulu
yeah nethi nje ngifuna kuyehlela asingene King siyabhukusha lapha bhuku umnanzi sichumulile sincunu kwavela litime lomnye cherry King lesibhukusha naye lapha web yadlala wena King so lukhile iswati yonke into ikhiye sincunu amfana wasithebula sonke singakanani sonke King emzaca siyanyuka King sebakhakhalwa wonke umuntu King umfana abantu bakwakhiwa imindeni King akudzinga za phone nyalo King ushaya umfana nami ngivula iqala washaya umfana nami ucelwe ngibani ukuthi ushaya umfana nami ngibani othi hey wami lo mfana akuthe ubhushela hamba ubhushela Baba ngiphaphele. That's what we have now. Kule era lesesikuyo internet. Kuthi lokhulelo omunye king siyasenzela bongibani wena. It's because kids are raising kids, understand? That's the problem. Sekonakele king.
And uyati hey king wathi ngifaka deep but angena bafana. Uyati ukuthi bengifundza lomnye umbhali king ngubani nje lo mbhali ngiyikhohlwa le out but le out ikhuluma ngathini babhali base-Europe ngifuze babhali base-Europe king la malanga lababo 17 18 1900 yabona
Yeah.
ukhuluma lo mjida king ngekuthi before kadzeni sibantfu bekude individualism yabona bekude mina nangikhuluma nawe king nangicala ukukumitha ngiyeva ukhuluma Swati ngiyathi okay leli liswati yabona uyangitshela ukuthi wakabani ungimahlalelo wakamahlalela ngithi ngile identity yakho leyo nginobuntu ukuthi we are therefore you are kude individual ukuthi ke ngusling mina uyabona bekude lento leyo king but ngeku embrace ngekufika I think kithi kwafika le colonialism kwafika nemfundo kwafika nalendlela la impilo lesayingakhona sesima individuals nyalo that's why iqala because sasingumango sasi unity nye bengikhona mina kushaya umfana akho ngimdiscipline because ngishaya umfana nami ngishaya umfana akho uyabona it was one unit but nyalo sesima individuals nyalo ukuthi hey awumthinti wami kwami uyabona sesima capitalist nyalo king sesima capitalist so ane usakhona ukukhutha umfana emuntu because and asasiyo le unit layer ukuthi ngikhutha liswati ngikhutha umfana kamahlalela uyabona sengumfana sling lento leyo uyayibona ukuthi isibekephi and the sad thing is asikwati kuphila nalento leyo thine nebaphathi bethu abakwati kusimanage singilento leyo.
The thing is when a king the same thing lokhuluma ngayo then bleeds to the community. The same kid longazanga khona kurebuke that day because ngumfana banibani 5 years 10 years later utofika phinza abambe mina inkunzi. You understand? The same, you understand? Manje singumphakathi lo mfana longakhona ngakhuteka back then asakhona kugobeka. So khona kuhlala nabo babe banibani eKhatha Tavern lo mfana same mfana anathi nababe banibani. Basherishe ligwayi nababe banibani. So diva naye, you understand? So kude like we've lost it bro. Ngiyakutshela. We've lost it.
Nabantu babe banibani ukhona kuhlala lentwana because akasayiboni ezintwana yakhe.
Yeah. Akasakhona imthekelebiya.
Naye ubuka abantu bakhe sesima individuals king and the sad thing is bohulumende bethu abakhona ukukumanage lokho because basengicabanga nathi asikwati kuphila singiko that's why simhambuma nje uyabona ukuthi ema Southern Africans kule malanga angumhambuma awutholi ukuthi a confused uyathi ukuthi it's confused sonke ke yabona kubhlungu but ndaze wathi siyashumayela asesi
no thina king vele ngithi sibashumayela mina king njengomprofeti lomkhulu impela mina bengathi Jesu akabuyi itolo kuthanda bengathi that's
manje bayekelelana labo enigma badukise live
bane platform king they can speak and talk yemanga king yemanga
ngiphatheleni bavela king kunenge bafana bayi kunenge ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi ngithithe bengistrolla Twitter nje into ngibonile ku Twitter ngibone Twitter ngibone lenye out king lapha ye advertiser ifuna I side chick is looking for a side chick ema benefits ale side chick ukuthi itaw the 2 trips labantu abathatha per year one I think is to Mozambique lenye Anam yenye Zanzibar and kune stipend kune allowance yale side chick mina bengicabanga ukuthi emanifombatana lenifata imukela ngemdlandla longaka ke ngithukile nangibona umdlandla ithi inombolo yakhe yabona because uposte anonymous lo mjida.
King is the sad reality we're living in now. Ngakutshela mosicala king ukuthi ngakutshela kucala king ukuthi babuta ukuthi kuse ungakhetha ini kuba ne-out le rich mara le abusive or kuba ne-out le broke le kuthanda blind. Abantu abaningi king bakhetha out le rich king. You understand? I think Nyalo King is the currency. Living in the currency. Nyalo King unani? I think nje le out king ibabambela abancane ngakhona. And ngisho ukuthi out le winile Nyalo King and i-handful le iphethe king
king.
Ayakhethe muphi.
Itahluleka in fact inekikhethe.
Yeah. Ingasneka konke.
Ingasneka konke. But mina ngithukile because mina bengicabanga ukuthi like kuba i-side chick udibana nenvoza nje kusoma yabo ungadi ukuthi inemfati. And then discover ukuthi kani uya-applyela king ukuthi kusenge ngifuna kuba i-side chick.
Yeah, king uyaba i-side chick king. Yeah. Uyaba i-side chick king leshadile. Ushadile king mara i-side chick lenye out. Ushadile king mara i-side chick lenye out. Kune out lenye king lo cheater nayo mara ushadile ngala. U-side chick le out ngale. Ngile system lesisiphila kuyo king.
Man.
Lento lena yenda umshado ungabi attractive ekuse. Ukuthi maybe king ngishadile mina. Umfati wami uyi-side chick kulelinye libuda. Nelibuda king lilisnika umfati wami king i-side chick mara. The out na medem wayo but no medem wami lo ngishade naye.
Ngiyawubuka lapha king nawubuka nawungathi uyabuka how many percent webo suspend la side chick. Estimate nje how many percent.
This game is filthy king say what in 75 80 king it's said. I'm sorry to say this but it's a fact.
Should see around 75 80 ukuthi ngaba ama side chick.
Yeah, most people were side chick king. Most people were side chick. And most of my cheat king are side niggas. Most of my cheat are side niggas. It's dirty. It's dirty. And nobody is safe. Like nobody is safe. And angathi ngikhuluma ngakhe king le podcast le ukuthi nobody is safe. Lama chitela sona ngiyathandwa mina ngiyathandwa. Ngimedem wami ngedwa lo. Ngimngepha kulo medem ayichiri yami le yampintshi yami kusala lapha kude mfana. Akude lo kwangena lapha ntwana. Kwangena mina isilwane lapha ngenilunge noma king uhlelo king waspeaker kuyakulalela kuyakubuka ulendlini lokukhuluma nabo uplathela yena lamabhili kwamunya king ngifuna kumbulala kudla stout king sithengwa nguwe le stout ngemphi nje amsho njalo out ukhuluma boldly king and proudly. That's why king these days king ku dangerous ekuse king kunangizana kureveal ukuthi usishana bani sekusena join abantu bani angimede mo wamntwana asesiyaphusha ntwana sesinabo 3 years akuma 3 years ntwana Ken king was speaking kuyakubuka ekuse kuyasho sekuse 3 years lo mfana ngombambelula mosmini engqondweni yakho king kuyasho say lo mfana ngombambelula phela ekuse kanjani
phela le relationship yakho nalo girl kuze ukuthi le speaking nalo girl ngoba imnanzi le yabo le yakho nale yakhe le nginga yabona le speaking nalo girl king imnanzi le relationship because wena nguwe lo handle shatonke letinfo letilikhuni.
Yeah yabo mina king ekuse
king ufika to shaspan speaking kuphela unatha le star yabona futhi anganathi star man speaking
yabona king ekuse mina position ngifisa kuba kuyo kule situation le king ngifisa kuba nguspikiri bro like with wholehearted I really wish to be spikiri king because spikiri king one une peace of mind is spikiri king akade easy spikiri king spikiri king good akafonela spikiri to ibamba ingani ifone yami or akwangifonela ingani spikiri king is one guy king lo phila rent free le economy le yelithando leli and king ukhuluma proudly uyabona lokho king ngizama ukuthi ekuse angakanani ke ma relationship kanjalo mangaki ma relationship kanjalo
songilimate ngalokuthi manje kakhulu songilimate ngalokuthi speaker king unatha star water except because phela nangatha star water speaker hayi king hayi
bona phela
ngithanda umjida star water king
star water king ufasela le out ngisho ngila machidela top yabona maybe kwe lawyer or kwa yabona except imoto yabo kusefana ishi kuseyikhona lenye iphathi benguye mani wangiphemisa izolo kusespikiri ude lapho kwelo-1 so spikiri akukho inkinga kulendlu umndeni wakho mfana likaspikiri and kusentana ishi ngishaka ejuthini ngiyangena nje nga-10 namhla ngishaye i-night ngifuna nje kubamba i-1 yebiya bese ngisilele ezolo lokhona kuba-grand ebusuku uzospikiri akude inkinga ntwana thina mahlalela ntwana thina sihlala silokhale kusele asela khona bangibambela i-1 phela awungasabi spikiri 6 stout yombulala king sadly siphila kule reality leyo masingakhuluma ngazuthi we're joking about it it's a fact reality lesiphila kuyo king and sibonile i-first hand account and ngile ngaba accomplice kule tinto leti so I know I'm not talking in third person I'm not talking in third person here
you see yabona king into lebhlungu ngilokuthi lamachita la natha Stewart king angadi man iyangilimata personal lento king because lamachita la natha Stewart king asifaka span uyabona kuke kwenteke king maybe usheshe uphume span or ukhohle something lendlini
angisho king lelanga lofa ngalo lelo that's your day and
ufike king ukanze spikiri endale afaka lespan king
and you die from pain king again the throat pain the pain libalanzanyeni la king hlung blind you die from the pain king because one spikiri is your boy uyamthemba and 2 spikiri beka nawe king before you shift umthengele ibhiya spikiri king wakufasela wakhuluma ngemedem wakho uspikiri wavuma spikiri vele thandwana loya vele usilwane ntwana and wena king une standard unqono na spikiri mental uqamthu unqono na spikiri wena
spikiri king
spikiri abo spikiri namantwana ahluleka lawo ekusethi masifunza you understand bengifunza naye spikiri esicela mara wadlala spikiri wadlala kakhulu so nyalo vele hlala washa imodam and stuff the same spikiri is on her bro lo rose yakho king the one you trust uthi lo kumedem wami noma kungathiwani kude intwana ngambamba dad ngamlanza kuyenza with him
spikiri
putting in the work extra hours
and king and yabona vele into leyo kufuna mane ungayiboni nayendeka I think wena wangitshela ukuthi nawe invoza king mina nawe invoza nawe ekhaya kufuna umtshele medem wakho ukuthi make sengilamalelani nyalo
you have to disclose
in 15 minutes atokhona kutshela spikiri ahambe because ngiyakutshela yabona ngathi uyangena king ukhanze angadi king angadi because ukhanze king lama le ngihlulekana ngisho le nto wona mngane because ngiyayibona mental uyabona kunetinto wena king uyabona emajita lamanengi nakana medem wawo
yeah
kunetinto langatendi because athela ukuthi letinto leto atenda kubantwana labalusa estradini uyabona
king no one is safe from these things king like kude into le reserve bobani bani medem wakho ayidzinga lento leyo king uyadzinga medem wakho ukutreatwa lendlela leyo king because khona out king letamvisa kona bese tabe sesena njani then what do we do then mayifika le out spikiri makalenda spikiri king he puts in that extra layer of work lo ngayendi wena king lo thona ngimedem wami king umphatha kahle irose lena irose yami kuthi rose king ekalorweni ekalorweni kuthi rose king everybody deserves the dick the way everyone has to get it bro spikiri king faka span extra hours king wadlala ke wena ukuthi akumedem wami lona ya ekusey rose yami lena king ubona umfana king mambamba ngastopujuka spikiri king akabone ukubona konke lokho
yakumbamba king wetbona leta spikiri king tinjalo leta nto letiphethe emafosholo nemananga nemapiki
basinsango leti ya king basizole ketakha
leta king ungalayithi umechiso lakuso again like ungabhakha like this
akhona machita king lebhakha ngesandla mechiso akhe utse think about it guy king mfatini so I'm saying this to say this I'm saying this to say this nobody's safe king
but
because economy lesiphila kuyo nyalo king bantu abaningi king abekho faithful kumishado yabo ngile economy lesiphila kuyo king bantu abaningi king baphila icloud you understand bantu abaningi baphela kubukwa nje ukuthi kuse inini it's all about bancane ban king labenta tinto batendele bona bancane man king basimabajola bajolele bona ukuthi kuse ngiyajolela mina na madam wami it's for me and her Abantu abaningi babajola King bajolela ukuthi abone bani, ibone i-ex yami, babone abantu some up. There's this very, very bad thing lekhona lamalanga King ukuthi I'm up yabona kuse like kufuna abantu bangibone ngi-up, kufuna bangibone ngisenza kufuna bangibone like not everyone is winning bro. Asiwini sonke kuse sise even if ngawe uyawina kuse akusiko ukuthi sokufuna uprovela abanye abantu ukuthi uyawina unless vele life yakho vele injalo you understand. Angilwi nawe but bantu abaningi ngela ukuthi labanye abantu you understand and King bakhona bospikiri King on the ground babuka King ukuthi kuse mina ngayibhidlita yonke lento le
uyibhilitile already automatically info I think in the info le puzzle show King le kuwina ngicabanga mina mancane ama-Africa la winako kwecala and noma uyawina wena mlingane akufuni uyabona akufuni King ukuthi ngingafika mina ngikhanze estation bani badle amafet uyabona ngifike ngideke litafula lebuffet ngiyadla ngedwa uyabona bathi ngibuka ukuthi lokudla ibuffet lokudla bathi buffet noma buffet angathi bathi ifuna sibe sensitive lempilo lesiphila kuyo King and nalo umjolo wakho kufuna uprotect because being under lenfula you understand the King now naso soke waba on the other end uyabona so ke wafaka lesiphan kumuntu lokule relationship yaka Instagram and umendisa tinfo King yabo sitawukhuluma kabi leti matima but bampostile King lapha umile ushutha nendvodza yakhe nabantu bakhe yabona
and King kufanele ube real kufanele ube real man lapho King and never disclose udla usula umlomo King udla usula umlomo
awukhulumi King awukhulumi mina mlingane ngile out ukuthi ngiyadinaya info ngiplead the fifth esikhathini lesiningi angadi angikaboni lutho yabona ingangadi ukhuluma ngani it wasn't me because we need that but and on the other flip side King imishado leminengi ema-side chick ayiqinisile
most emishado King qinisile ama-side chick like again King going back to that point of community the topic of community bafundziswa King bogogo wethu kubamba umshado katsena kuba nema-classes ama-lessons before even the marriage that's why bekubona liguma kube nelawo that is where King the education beba khona umfato uphathwa kaso kwendiwa kaso wenda so indvodza mbamba ngiloku understand and akwendeki la khaya kuphela kwendeka in every household ekhona la mangweni which means sonke King isiphethe ini isiphethe system leyi-one nanhloko you understand ukuthi kuse kwendiwa kaso angisho ukuthi bekude abantu labachithako back then bebakhona King but bengasinga lendlela ekhona ngayo nyalo like King people nyalo King uyashada lamuhla urenda inhloko yakhe ucabanga kuchitha or before lo mshado itolo King bekashaya omunye understand yoshada
bekajumile
now that shows you ukuthi already lo mshado King bongakakhelwa ukuthi ngiyamthanza lo muntu usashada bowakhelwe bandvu ukuthi ngifuna babone ukuthi ngiyashada nami in wa up you understand it was not about love at the first place you understand that's why lendo King vele yakhelwe indlu yesanti emhlabeni wesanti ngeke ime King ku-impossible ukuthi ngema you understand and it's not even hate ukuthi mina King imishado ngiyibona ukuthi yabona loya noma kanjani King is going to happen and it's like a prophet it happens
isikhathini lesiningi le mshado yakwa-Home Affairs King lele vama kuba strong
lele ngabonwa kambi leya ka-Home Affairs leya kusayinwa
leya ka-Home Affairs
because leyo King comes from love ngiyamncanywa lo madam King nawe uyakuncanywa nawe uyamncanywa niyokwenda into yenu lapha nobabili niyathi carry on with life venture into businesses and do your things in silence but King if ngifuna ukukhombisa umhlaba wonke success link is up ubambele isinye sibabuli qasha ngisho mahash King ngiyakela mfana and kulaphalo kwebar again kulaphalo kwebar King lokumthinzako on the crowd kuyodla kudla kwami nemali yami
is always Judas King is always there again uyabuka King on the toast lapha uyabuka ulapha Judas King akazanga bekhashane na Jesu Judas King he was one of the 12 he was one of the 12
it's always been one of the 12
uyabuka King when the toast nanjani and ngiyamtext kwa Judas ukuthi say yabona thola isikhathi into kunemba umuhle kule veil yakho
Yeah. So I guess king nyalo lokubita king kubita king lababonako ukuthi nemuntu king endlini yakhe king akhulise abantwana akhe ngendlela lene integrity ngendlela le straight ngendlela le grand ukuze ukuthi sikhona ukuchubekela phambili otherwise king siyaphasa ngumphakathi kuse I think isishona phasi mfana kancane kancane siyaphasa ayi kancane kancane ngalesinye speed king ngalesinye speed kutaba bete lutho nyalo king sagcina sekude mfethu like nesingesaba nje king nyalo kujola ngisaba mfethu like commit ukuthi kuse committed love you forever ever ne problem bro alesengikubona lasengikwatiko yabona so it's deep bro
ufuna ushingela ingculo king nyalo I think ujola seyinto lengekho man
yeah kulukhuni king kulukhuni kuse yathi hey kulukhuni kuse ngathi yini beyikhulunywa lena something was khona ngilalela itoro somewhere khona mjide bakhuluma manje ngezinto emshado lethi man ngikhohlwa le but ngithinsile le out ngathi kusene yeah see sekugraph man king ekuse segraph
but angadi bad king yakade kungilele kungeke bafana ukuthi it is what it is nake sikhona ukuphinda nake sikhona kwendana sengikuthi nje kufuna uthola ikona lakho yabona na umjida ujabule uphile and kutokusita futhi kumukela impilo njengoba injalo ungafuni ibe Hollywood uyabona
like yeah most of Machida King are in the thing ngalokuthi bekafuna impilo yabo ibe Hollywood yalo sebahleli in the thing king doing life because king bekafuna kube out and impress everyone yabona so he ventured into the life of crime ukuthi abe up atokhona na iprove le Machida lamanye ukuthi kuphela blind yabona doing life 25 to life because bofuna ubonile king oh yeah
chubeka king
ngizubonile king
khona ukuthi ngathi bohotho bejane
khona ichere na 22 king ilebulele boyfriend yayo lena 21 ekolish shekile storeless
21 noma 31
yeah 31 lo mjidi na 31 ushekile
angasifundi deep though
yeah mina ngisifundile ngacheka lapha ukuthi kuse like how possible is that lo mjidi uyivumele le out lo cherry phela mkhulu mjidi ngombula umtimba wawo umvumele lo cherry wamgwaza or ngabe kwendeke kanjani kuse lapha ekhaya endlini but ngiyo la relationship lesikhuluma ngawo king lawo la toxic bantu bangakhona ikushiya you understand it leads up to this nyalo cherry king yodla 25 to life uthi plan king uthi chance uconfessile and stuff yodla 25 to life ithando yingelo yeah king bafuzama kuyicontrol out afuna ibehavior in a certain way afuna ibe out le mthanza yena yedwa and stuff you understand mangaspan king shiya that mean kusengishiya umvaqwabita ngiyabo soqabita lokho uqabita lokho kufaka ngengupheli
umayele kusiqabite kabi
hayi loqabita lokho king kufaka mina engcupheni loqabita lokho yakela ukuthi mina yathi sine ngimata kakhulu
Nine damage king ungala umuntu ukuthi uqabite kabi
yakela
damage
yakela ukuthi yini ngami king ngingayambe ngayo my problems king I think I need a therapist again I really need to invest into therapy I have to invest into therapy mina king
ushipile jwala kune therapy king but iqhubeka
mina ngalimala kakhulu again I think so I think mina king ngalimala kakhulu to a level ukuthi angisafuni ukuphinza ngibuvu lobuhlungu lobuya that was the most painful hey kude ebuhlungu king ngabuvu lobunjenga lobuya king buhlungu king beku hey bekudlelwa never ubuhlungu la angifuni king iphele ngesipecial ya king nakhona ngabuva tshwala ukuthi hayi like manginasatshwala king bengabuva bu wet lanzanyeni yami bengiva dry bengiva kasikwehla isanti I don't want to go back there bro so, in any situation lengiba kuyo king ngibuke ama signs and maningi ama situation akhona ngwashiya ahenga king and angisho ukuthi bathi bude labantu yathi le naskipha noma salananga and stuff you understand ukuthi king ngibona ama behavior ama patterns lengiwabukako mina king ukuthi kusele pattern le mayidlala so kwaba likhandlela lehlaka so king la breaker le high le angisafuni mina ngisekho kule market le high le ayi close ngasishaya sikuzala kunema market ngawafuni ukuthinta vele yabona ngeva buhlungu kakhulu king so sengidysfunctional angathi ukuthi ngibani I think ikufuna ngithola umuntu nayo lona pain njengale yami or lo fear, iphobia le slingophobia umuntu slingophobia lomunye king sisimastoka mtshela singing oh shit we've got the same thing hayi mina singakhona kuyibuild sisathe lapho king because labanye abantu uyabona ukuthi esakhona selaphana king sechubeka sempilo otherwise leminye imijolo king yayibonza ilana ngidawulimala la so yeah kunike lithuba king uphefula ugodlo kuwe.
Hey mina ngikuvela kuhlungu king wena solimele kakhulu it is tend to so ngichakujane phela king ngathi uthi ngichakujane lobaleka at the first sign of danger
and the sad thing king ngibaleka mina lo ngumthanzi ene angumnyanyi mangibaleka angumnyanyi after ukuthi ngibaleke ngiyachubeka ngumthanza kakhulu the distance on some I appreciate that beautiful fire but it's not for me.
But isobale shothi kufuna wena king ngicabanga kufuna uwendele kuma open relationship uyakwalo sokubakutshela ngaloko
sengingeva ngawo I think kufanele ngifonele Jada Pinkett ngimbude ukuthi lento bayenda njani bona na Will Smith. I think information engiyifunayo king loko open relationship uthi you understand
but labaneng allegedly bathi Jada slave wesathi slave king
in slave king beard
slave king ngiyabekisa ukuthi beard ukuthi nangabe uyindvodza le thanda lamanye amadvodza uyabona but awufunda ukuvela emangweni ukuthi uthanda amanye amadvodza ubese uba nemfati lotho kunika sithundi base lo mfati loyo slave
oh yena she's into other women
no bathi laba allegedly ngathi labanye basola ukuthi Will Smith ngathi ugqoke Jada as a slave
uyabona Will Smith ushaya in both areas
asati king bantu bayakhuluma but nje ngicabanga lokho open relationship ngawasida kakhulu la Africa leseningizimu because thine lo mjolo wethu economical kakhulu yabona from the guy's perspective labo madam bafuna imali and anyone lonemali utawunemba ayibonga king
ayibonga
utawunemba from the woman's perspective emadvodza lamanengi king afuna sithembu but lo budvodza bekuthatha sithembu so atawuhamba kuvuya lena le ngicabanga ukuthi kufuna ukuthi siphumele baleni lokuthi hey
mina ngisikofoyi
umnike logela ukuthi thola lo mnye 3 umajito tujula nayo yabona nami ngidawubamba labanye bogela labang 3 but mina nawe sidided ngiyathi ukuthi king neke nithanze lento lengishoko
hayi mina king mina ngivumelana nawe mnenzanga yethu inawe
practical for our situation lento lengikhulumako king
as economic ngikhuluma ngaTebogo nguvukhuluma ngaTebogo lo mfana kaThobejani
Tebogo ngive ngibani slick talk akhuluma ukuthi Tebogo bamdubula wadutshulwa ngilenye mafia lebejula naye
awusada story kanona Khet Matlala king ufunani in the thing
angimati ngicela kumbona this week Khet Matlala king
Khet Matlala king ukonga le dodo umadlanga commission le commission ekhona nyalo lo inside that cycle lomjita king yeah is a hot topic lamzansi these days yani allegedly kuthiwa nguye lo wathumela abantu usiphathinze Tebogo lapha ngemhlavu king uthini Tebogo umisile
iko Tebogo kuhle king
BBL king
iBBL
yo ufakile letibunu nemalips awabona umbona nje artificial
Bulikhulu ukubona wona king Ncesi ulikhulu kuyibona into leyo because labantwana baseningizimu Afrika boSwaziland ningizimu Afrika bo le build yethu isa BBL uyabona
is so close to the but utsinzile ungetile lapha nalapha king ungetile king bamthinza ngenhlavu lapha kwalimala umngane wakhe bekanemngane wakhe lapha ekhathe emotweni king makwendeka le incident kwalimala umngane wakhe wayesibedlela ngathi nje uhamba solo wheelchair umngane wakhe wechair king vele bethi babulala kahle kahle ngazi ukuthi le hit betuka Tebogo
yini lesimoko allegedly
asiyati ke le backstory king like is the only thing lengenguyenge ngayo insanga yethu asiyati but kwendeka kuTebogo lokushow king it happened I remember it's like ngathi last year
Umzansi Wild West kusay Wild West ngabe ingalanyulwa njani indzaba lena kusay
ayilanyulwa king ukuthi silungisele policing nalama cartels la khona semaningi lama cartel yini live king lela clean ama cartel kabuhlungu wonke umuntu wayejele king
El Salvador
yeah kufuna sende El Salvador king once waba gang related inside the thing thathu lesinga understand kahle inside the thing like
inside the
things yeah, then we clean up and iphoyisa ligangako inside the thing wonke umuntu king parliament wona yaganga usekhathe parliament inside the thing siphila king nyalo ku lawless nangizane mfana segotham king segotham
igoda but inkinga yemzansi wena mlingane kunale the Freedom Charter akusiyinkinga is one of the good things about umzansi kunale Freedom Charter king icukethe amalungelo ebantfu so newukhona ukuwenda lento leyo without violating amalungelo lamanengi ebantfu
yeah kufuna sicale past king silungise yona lento leyo king story cleaner hey king yakena sokulukhune king ufika kangakanani nje wena mawuhamba eKhathe Jozi
angihambi mina eKhathe Jozi
yabo why ungahamba eKhathe Jozi
ngithi umshwalense okay before bengisaid umshwalense king life insurance
yabo
nyalo senginayo sengingahambi because
akufuneka kube njalo king iJoburg king was once the most safe place ewongeta kuyo king Africa bebasuka king kuBozambi basuka kuphi king bethe eJozi batosebenta khona it was the safest place king very beautiful mawukhuluma ngeCBD yaseJozi khona sombele ngesibonitolo king iCBD yaseJozi king bayfly king before 94 bayfly king was one of the flyest places
bayfly but I bengasiyo flying eJustice king
no angikhulumeli Justice king angikhulumeli Justice
besipakatane besikhala
angikhulumeli Justice king ngikhulumela ukuthi lenzawo beyinhle lenzawo beyisafe lenzawo bokhona kuyogibela erenkini uhambe ekhaya safe ukuthi into lebakuthathele yona
yeah
so we need to take it back allegedly Helen Zille king uthi ufuna kuyibuyisela khona asathi nomuntu okhona yini noma wahluleke eCape Town
wahluleka king Cape ay angathi yes Helen Zille king semdzala ufuna hamba ehlala ekhaya
fact
Helen Zille king ukwende kulo ukuthangalela ukuthi ufuna kukwenda eJozi
allegedly basuka kwenda eCape Town
kuphi eCape Town
also what king maybe Stellenbosch
bo Helen Zille king aneke ubreak ngesentini ukuthi yabona ukuthi Jozi safe kanganani ubreak ngesentini thina sifuna wendi Alex king ibe safe
yeah and
lapho la start serious khona
kuningi excel kufuna kwendiwe king eAfrica king I think nje kubole into ama systems lamaningi king abolile ngeke kuye ngekuse so kwanyalo nje akusetshenzwe gents kusafuna kusetshenzwe
no I think ngicabanga mina info le kude info la tayena Helen Zille king eJozi nekaza lungisa eJozi kude umlungu alungisa eJozi that's a fact kusena le ndlela umzansi operate ngawe asengikutshela ukuthi ngisho ngani
yeah
mina inkolelo yami king and it's backed by info lengifundzile kulamalanga ngiyafunza king tincwadi zepolitiki letinenge yabona
plan
inkolelo yami
ufuna kuvula i-political party king
no hayi ngivula i-political party mina ngifuna ku-understand mina info king lengenta ngingakhoni bungehle buthongo ebusuku kimi ukuthi yini lento iAfrica ihlupheka kangaka yabona
okay yeah
so mina lengikukholelwako wena mlingane ukuthi kungenda iSouth Africa noma ngabe ngiliphi live eAfrica liphile kahle
yeah
ukuthi uhulumende kufuna ati ukuthi yini umsebenzi wakhe naku mina lengikholelwa ukuthi umsebenzi wahulumende umsebenzi wahulumende king mina lengikubheke kuhulumende ngifuna avikele malungelo ami
yeah
onke uyabona
yeah
ngifuna avikele impilo yami king ukuthi ngibe safe
yeah
ngifuna avikele dithukuthuku demandla ami
umthelo wakho imali yakho
yes the three ngiloko lenguthi ngakhulumende king hulumende king akakhoni kusupply abantu ngemandi that has never been done successfully by any government
yeah
hulumende akavumele tinkampani leti private letifuna kusupply abantu ngemandi supply imandi hulumende wasemzansi nje ngiyabekisa enibonga laba Afrika hulumende wasemzansi nifuna ngafocusa kuyo King kuvikela impilo yabantu ukuthi bucala sibehlisa kanjani ubuye ku zero angafuni ukusupply abantu ngagesi angafuni ukusupply abantu ngemandi angafuni kunetinkampani King lo ngathi 3 or 4 tinkampani utinike Jozi compete ukuthi kuse sinike license ukusupply abantu base Jozi ngemandi ndawukhombitha mina tibona ukuthi nikhombitha kanjani.
And you know for a fact ukuthi with that competition King we are guaranteed service delivery.
Akusiya King umsebenzi wahulumende kufuna ukuthi ya laba balale badlile yini yabona bawathola nemandi la kubhubukela ipipe le ndani manager njani letinkinga lezinkulu etibhekene nelive King nanibuka emapipe labhobokile.
Yeah. Hayi fana uyishaya inhloko King ngiyo.
Noma King ungafaka Helen Zille King ungamthatha umfake eSentini angayimanage eSentini ichubeke bengilele ngiko. Noma ungathatha bani umuntu umlingani nyalo umfake ukuthi akaphathe lijozi aneke uhulumende ati-solve letinkinga letikhona akakhona uhulumende kwenda lokho King.
Which means King
anyway King
which means King ke akayadi uhulumende agenda yakhe King ngiyadlala.
Confused King
or kwendiwa mabomu lo King like siyenda nje vele asingenelani.
I think i-mix yako kokubili King ngimlingani ngokubekisela mlingani nanginenkampani nemlingane le supply imandi eJozi yabona nangabe lipipe leliya kuwe libhobokile lokusho ukuthi mina angiyakhi imali kulelo langa lelo lelipipe libhoboka ngakhona kufuna ngende sure ukuthi ngiyalungisa wena uthola imali mina ngizokwakha imali yabona ngiko lokwenda ukuthi emandi uhlale unawo wena because mina lenkampani yami if wena umani ungasawathola inkampani yami itovala ngifuna kubuda King ungasho wena ukuthi asimvale emasipala ngoba kude emandi ngikula kalahlekelwa khona emasipala ngakuthi kude emandi
azange
because masipala King nangabe imali tingangeni kahle so aneke mlingane ngiyakutshela bohulumende laba kubonile lento le babe sebaya dedela lokuprovider ngiyeva khuluma ngikhuluma service delivery mina service delivery ngibheka uhulumende ukuthi ngifuna kwende ID angifika home affairs ngikhanze kunomuntu fangende le-ID uyabona nangifuna nangabe kunento le impilo yami ngabe safe akube neliphoyisa King lento wenda lokho uyabona akasend imilitary kusolve le ukuthi sibe safe uyabona lokho uhulumende King bohulumende lokho bayakhona kukwenda uyabona mhlaba wonke jikelele usual bakhona kukwenda bohulumende but lo letinye tinto leti King le ngikutshela ngato awungibalele phela bohulumende labatendako successfully
kude King kude angeke King akhona uhulumende King because lokho ngiko lobe sekugcine kwakhe kubanga lenangizana kubanga lobutsotsi King ukuthi abantu sebadla imali nanani because usinika ibudget sisingene on the streets mfana sendele kumele sikwende siyayidla but my company you know ukuthi you're doing this for profit you're doing this for in kufuna kune competition ekhona kufuna kube ne integrity kufuna ukuthi abantu bakuthembe mangabe ngulo lo nangizana lo provider gas kufuna ukuthi gas wakho King abe consistent kufuna ukuthi into takho tendeke kanjlela because we are running numbers but mangihulumende King you don't lose anything ukuthi kwendekani uyadla nje uyadlaphathisa kutaphuma lenye budget next year that's why lokhanze ukuthi in 5 years King Solomon asakhona ukulungisa ipipe la manje lawo or lo gas lo Solomon asikhona ukulungisa because King uhulumende you understand and my company King company ifuna reputation yayo ibe ntswembu and ifuna kwakha ama profits at the end of the day so yonke lento King yendeka ibe straight
exactly so kamna King so phelile 31 years le experiment yahulumende provide imali ehulumende owner Eskom na gas siyendile phelile 31 years King sikwendile lento le yangithi kusishiye kuphi
kude
should we wait another 31 years King ukubona ukuthi kwendekani noma lento le yazivele siyi give up uhulumende endele tinto la ngakhona kudenda atende kahle into lenkulu nje mina ngicabanga ngemzansi i-safety
asiyi give up King
i-safety uhulumende kufuna ende show ukuthi abantu ba safe ngifuna King ngifuna khona estradini angasabi
ngifuna ke hypnotic King ngine problem King ekeJozi ngifuna ke Kanye West ngaDecember ngine-problem
back to the city, yes.
yes ngifuna ukuya back to the city, ngifuna ukuya Kanye West nyalo. Ngine-problem ukuthi ngizohamba nabani king because sekufuna ngihambe nemuntu phela because ngihamba wedwa lapha hey kulukhuni eJozi. I-target mfethu so sisine-problem nje Slive king angathi kuyofuna ngithole i-Uber mhlawumbe leyongifaka ekhathi. Mangifika eJozi ngithole i-Uber
king but ayidubuli i-Uber ulakhatha ngithi but ayidubuli ulakhatha because
ithi ma-drive by lana oh shit kodwa na ima-Uber nyalo bawadubula abo taxi driver.
Bawadubula
Angishit nami lakhathi.
King uhulumende kufuna leti info leto afocus ayekele leti info lesemehlulile uhulumende abuke nathi info la ngakhona kudenda.
Yeah. I know
amongst South Africa the biggest thing is safety and security king but hey asishiye lapho so mvoteleni Helen Zille king nangabe imemory yeni isheshe ukhohle uyabona.
Kungcono king man ekusay basengazi-rapturish maybe khona baba-rapturishile labahambile labangekho king. Satobona makuhamba lamalanga ukuthi ngibani lokhona ngibani longekho. People are gone my brother. Sisele thina ngenteka nje thina nyalo king sesik-Hades. Asathi.
Ngende king nibantu manje ngine-list la ngathi abathathe bona mayicala sitosale siphila kahle.
Hey kungaba nekuthula king.
Kunabantu engibacabangayo king nje bona bangathatha lo bathathe lo basishiye thina king basusa nje bona singasale siphila kahle man.
Yeah bakhona nami nginayo list yami king but hayi ngilasibeka khona lamhla king until next week mfowethu shayele i-episode. Otherwise it's been a nice one.
Sitawukhombisha lama-list ngale nasiceza but nami ngine-list yami king ukuthi yabona nakunale rapture kufuna negotiate nalento yena but nje hayi next week let's see ukuthi kwende kanjani siyabonga mlingani.
Yeah bathi like and subscribe singete ama-followers itoba inkulu le community yethu sikhona ukuthi